And I thought today I'd share with you guys something cool I got in the mail the other day. It actually arrived right on the last day of 2012, which I thought was kind of cool. I think they planned that on purpose. But this is from Nintendo, from their Nintendo Club, and it's my Dobutsu no Mori, or Animal Crossing schedule book. Yay! So if you recall, in Japan, when you ordered your copy of the new Animal Crossing for the 3DS, you would be able to choose, because of the points that you need to get certain things like this through Club Nintendo, you could choose to get this schedule for like a lot less points. I think it was only like 60 points to get it, and I don't know how many it would have normally been, probably I don't know, I'm gonna say like 300, but that's probably wrong. Don't trust that, but so it was a good deal. And it's the 2013 schedule book, so I'll open it up here and show you guys what it looks like. These schedule books, and I've shown you guys before these too, they're super popular here in Japan. Everybody likes to get these, despite everyone having smartphones and stuff like that. It's still a really common thing to get when you start off a new year. So this is Pocket Diary for 2013, and you can see there's lots of little logos here that are, you know, reminiscent of Animal Crossing, a little leaf and such, and a little fruit. So the nice thing about this is that you can choose, there's 4 different covers for this. So if I take out the base part here out of this plastic case, and it's really well made, this is, so it's nice, it's going to last a long time. If you take all this out, you're left with this part here, and if you remove it, you see that there's actually 2 sheets in here, and they feature a design both on the front and the back. So you could choose to have this one that just has these leaves as a design choice. You could also have this one that features a little tiny owl that's like on the signpost. That's so cute. And then that little leaf thing. So more subtly declaring your devotion to Animal Crossing as opposed to screaming it to the world. These are all much more subtle versions. Now this one here really tells everybody that you like Animal Crossing, doesn't it? I love it. So you've got all the new people, all the new parts that you might expect to find here in all this cool kind of new version of the 3DS version of Animal Crossing here. So kind of a cute little way to do things. You could kind of choose that, of course. And then the other thing that's included here, and I'll just get this back together really quick here before I drive you guys crazy with everything. But like I said, the plastic case is nice. There's a slot for a pen, a slot for like bookmarks and such there. And then you've got, this is a nice thick one. It's not just your loser, you know, month by month and we're done kind of deal. This definitely shows you everything you'd need to have a really nice complete schedule book. So right in the beginning, it's got your just, you know, whole year at a glance kind of stuff, 2013 and 14. The whole yearly plan, kind of looking at it in terms of, you know, a month as a column, so you can kind of see what you're doing. And then it goes through each month at a glance, starting with the last month of 2012, which is already over. And then it goes into, you know, a weekly shot where you can then have more room to put down things like appointments and stuff like that. And then you just go into January and so on, all the way through the whole year. And there's just these little like kind of tile designs there that kind of show, you know, a little hint to Animal Crossing, but it doesn't really scream it so much. And then you have this little guy, that little, I don't know, all these guys' names in English and then in Japanese, but he's this little guy here, the little sea otter guy is there, and like that little present there because it's Christmas. So you go through the whole month at a glance, and then at week to finish things out. You have a few pages here that are just blank pages for memos and notes. You've got like the little egg logo from probably Easter, I think, and the coins. Candies that you can get too. I think that's from the Carnival series too. So then last little bit is, which I think is cool, probably one of the coolest things about this is it shows you a checklist of all the different things you can get in the game. So there's the different bugs, fish, other kinds of things you can get from the ocean, like seaweed. Fun little words that you might see that would be common in the game, that would be in Japanese, and then that are also in English. So those kinds of things are kind of cute. They let you know everything so that you know how to say them both in English and in Japanese. So different travel lists, things for when you're going places, maps for some of the more common rail systems in Japan, and then some removable little notepads that feature icons that you might see throughout the game. I saw these little mittens. Somebody dropped those, and then you have to figure out who it belongs to. Of course, the typical flower seeds, crackers, balloons, those are all things you might be familiar with. Some of the butterflies and stuff and the flowers that are in the game, the icons from all that, mushrooms and such. So some cute things that you are familiar with from the game. And then at the very end is a little personal data page, and then there's a little a QR code to scan with your 3DS, and I haven't done that yet, where you can get this little guy as a design for different things. So that's kind of cute. Then it also features this address book that you can either choose to leave inside or to take it out. It's just a standard address book, kind of boring actually, because there's nothing really that shows that it's for Dobutsu no Mori or Animal Crossing except for that little tiny design there. And then, of course, the thing everybody wants, stickers. Yay! So, lots of stickers for your schedule book. Lots of people use these stickers to help identify what's going on. You know, if you have a dinner date with people, you're going to eat food, you're going to go drinking, it's time for coffee, all those kinds of fun things that you can get. 4-leaf clovers, bag of money. Those are always good things, right? So, some really cute stuff that you can get, and it makes me excited because I haven't seen all these yet in game. Like, I'm really curious what these little bikuri mark, these exclamation points are, and the key. I haven't gotten to that yet, or the book. Oh no, that was something somebody dropped. I think I did see that. I haven't seen these drinks though. I have a coffee, and I'll maybe show you guys that in another video, but some fun stuff. And then a bunch of the characters in the game too, and this makes you think, oh, I wonder when I'm going to meet all these people, because I haven't seen all these people yet, so it'll be fun to get a chance to see them all. So far, with the end of the year and everything, we're able to see, of course, Jingles, the little reindeer there, and we just missed getting to do Halloween stuff, so it'll be fun to go into the new year and see what kind of cool things we can do. So all cute little design icons for everything. So a very cool thing to get without a whole lot of points, and you know, definitely something. I wish the things were more international. I don't know how often these kinds of things are available in other countries, but a really cool thing that is available in Japan from Club Nintendo as part of a promotion if you were the person who downloaded the new Animal Crossing for 3DS directly to your 3DS if you didn't buy the software. You can still get this, you just needed to use more points. So by using it through the in-game system store, you were able to get it for less. So